Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can activate voice chat inside Minecraft. And the simple answer is that there really is no way for us to activate this voice chat. That is to say, it does not exist. The only way in which we would be able to use voice chat would be either on PC, whether it's Java, Bedrock, PlayStation 5, Xbox, etc., is by joining a Discord and in that way basically being able to talk with your friends. But if we go to the Options section, in no section does it make reference, for example, to multiplayer having a voice chat. As you can see, well, I have it in Spanish, but there is nothing related to a voice chat inside Minecraft. This option is not enabled. The only other way, apart from Discord, would be to join through mods, but that is usually done in what would be Minecraft Java, because Minecraft Bedrock is a bit more limited and it is a bit more complicated to install these mods. But as I was saying, the easiest way for us to use this voice chat is simply through what would be Discord. And well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on GlitchSip.